students, now we will be starting the new stream of the social science, that is history, and in this we will be studying about the French Revolution. Now as you can see in the picture, some words are written over there: Bastille, rights, French Revolution, liberty, equality, fraternity. There are some common words among them. Number one is right. We know what is right. We have already studied about that. Liberty means freedom. Equality, no discrimination. Fraternity, bhaichara. As you can see here, there is a picture of a fort. This is a Bastille. It is located in Paris, France, capital of France, Paris. Now we can see here, fire is there and people are gathered here. Why have they gathered here? That we will come to know in this chapter. Now the importance of French Revolution is that humans got their rights through this revolution. Whichever right we are enjoying today, like liberty, equality, fraternity, and all the other rights, we got it due to this French Revolution. Now the content of the chapter is: number one, introduction, the storm of Bastille, French society, late 18th century, the outbreak of the revolution, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic, women and revolution, the abolition of slavery, the revolution and everyday life, and conclusion. In this video, we will be studying about the storm of Bastille. But before that, we will go for the introduction. Now, we often take the ideas of liberty, freedom, and equality for granted because we are enjoying it from the birth and we don't know how we got it. We know that this is our birthright, but we need to remind ourselves that these ideas also have a history and we will come to know about that history. What is the history behind these ideas of liberty, freedom, equality, and fraternity? To know this, we will read a small part of the history about the French Revolution. The French Revolution led to the end of monarchy in France. What does it mean? Due to the French Revolution, the rule of the monarch came to an end, and a society based on privileges gave way to a new system of governance. The idea that all individuals had rights and could claim equality became part of a new language of politics. And how did this idea come? What is the reason? What were the circumstances behind these ideas? That all we will study in this chapter. These notions means idea of equality and freedom emerged as the central idea of a new age. Emerge matlab सामने आना. Now first we will study about the events of the 14 July 1789. As we have seen in front, there was a picture of a fort that is Bastille. On the morning of 14 July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. Alarm means घबराया हुआ थे लोग. All the people were intention. 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a people's militia. People's militia मतलब लोगों की एक आर्मी. आर्मी उन्होंने फॉर्म कर ली. The rumor spread that the king had commanded troops to move into the city and would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizen. Rumor means afwah. That king had asked army to open fire on the citizen, upon the citizens. They broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. Who? The militia of 7,000 men and women. Now, finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison, the Bastille. As we can see here, the army of people. We can't see here 7,000 people, but we can see the army is there and they are having the arms in their hand. Where they hope to find hoarded ammunition. Hoarded मतलब इकट्ठा किया हुआ गोला बारूद. Ammunition, गोला बारूद. Bastille. Now this is the fort and it is known as the fortress prison. Fortress prison because it was used as the prison. As you can see here, there are people gathered outside the fort. There in the armed fight, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released, though there were only 7 of them. Only 7 prisoners were there at the time of the storming. The army released the prisoners and they killed the commander of the Bastille. The Bastille was demolished and it was hated by all. Everyone hated it and stood for the despotic power of the king. निरंकुश शासक, राजा का निरंकुश शासक के रूप में जाना जाता था. Now what were the causes of storming of Bastille? That we will come to know. Here we can see women are gathered outside a building and that is a bakery. Due to severe winter and bad harvest, most people were protesting against the high price of bread. If the harvest is not good at that time, the prices of the food grains rise and it becomes difficult for the people to get it. So they were protesting against that. Bakers hoarded the supplies, so after spending hours in long queues at the bakery, crowds of angry women stormed into the shop. Women were waiting for the baker to open the shop, but they did not, so they stormed into the shop. At the same time, the king ordered troops to move into Paris. So the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. Already we have seen that people were gathered there and they had stormed the Bastille. That is the event caused on 14th July 1789. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.